Hey guys, MGZ. So, I'm very much against stuff that you can buy at a gas station. My wife decided to buy a bacon brownie. Fudge brownie with real applewood smoked bacon and sea salt. Yeah. Not sure how good this is gonna be. It seriously looks like shit. I mean, it really looks like shit. She got it for me to try. I love brownies. I love bacon. I'm just not sure about together. So this is gonna be fun. Alright, gonna rig my camera up here. Make sure I can get all the way into the shot. This might take a second, guys. Whoa. Good enough, right? Oh, I'm just letting you know I'm smelling this, and it smells fucking horrible. It smells horrible. Alright, so what I'm going to do, you can see the big bite. I'm going to take a huge ass bite, and I'm actually going to, no matter how bad it is, I'm going to chew it all the way up, and I'm going to swallow it. And who knows, it might be fucking delicious. I know Burger King put out a bacon sundae, and everyone said that was pretty good, so we're going to try a bacon brownie. I'm gonna let you know it tastes like fucking shit. Oh my fucking god. Oh god. That's fucking horrible. You know what? I don't even know if it's the bacon that's bad. The bacon's kind of actually the okay taste to it. It's the fucking brownie tastes like shit. Maybe it's, I don't know. Oh my god, that's fucking horrible. Holy shit. Who the fuck decided one day to make a cheap gas station brownie and put fucking bacon in it? Cheap brownies are kind of bad alone. They're not like homemade brownies, but fuck. Thanks, guys. I'm done.